Hi guys, I'm in my new room. I actually moved, so this is my first video since I moved. And I have to do all my videos in my room, so yeah. I have a very messy fursuit because it was in a bag when it came over here. But yeah, here I am, ready to go. So what I want to do is review, well not review, but show you some toys I got. I got 2 Space Jam New Legacy toys from McDonald's. So here we go. First one I got is this one, Sylvester the Cat, with Tweety Bird on the ball. And it spins around like that. So I got that. And I really like Sylvester and Tweety. I grew up watching Bugs Bunny and Tweety. So that's that. And of course I got my favorite one. I was hoping to get this, so the lady that owns this place got me this for me. It's Lola Bunny, and yeah, she swings this ball out of her ears. But I'm not going to do that because it'll go and fly away. It flew and it went into a decoration, and we're looking everywhere for it. My friend who lives here, Megan, found it in the straw decoration. So that's my, there that goes. There that goes. Where are you? I can't see in the suit head. I'll find it. Okay, bye-bye.